The armature is the central part of your power tool's motor. It consists of windings, the commutator, a cooling fan, and the drive shaft. The armature along with the field create an electromagnetic field that causes the armature to spin. The carbon brushes transfer electricity to the armature through the commutator. Over time, the commutator will wear from this constant contact. If the tool is overloaded, the armature can overheat and the insulation around the windings will burn away, creating a short circuit. When this occurs, there will be excessive sparking from the motor brushes and smoke or a burning smell from the motor. Replacing the armature is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the housing from the rear handle. Next, I'll remove the brushes from the housing to pull them away from the armature. Next, I'll separate the gearbox from the motor housing. With the two halves of the tool separated, I'll pull the armature away from the gearbox. Now I can install the new armature. I'll place it into the gearbox and seat the bearing. I'll need to transfer the rubber ring from the old armature over to the new one. Now I can reconnect the gearbox and armature assembly back to the motor housing, and I'll secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the brushes. I'll make sure all the wires are tucked out of the way, and then I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to install a new armature in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.